हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 7 एसएसटी के चैप्टर नंबर 23 मार्केट्स अराउंड अस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूं। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। वेयर डू मोस्ट पीपल प्रेफर टू गो फुलफिल देयर डे टू डे रिक्वायरमेंट्स? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, इन नेबरहुड मार्केट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ए डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट इज कमिटेड टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी। ऑप्शन नंबर डी। द प्राइस ऑफ गुड्स इन ए मार्केट इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द फैक्टर्स लाइक डिमांड बाय द कंज्यूमर्स। ऑप्शन नंबर ए। वेजेस ऑफ पीपल वर्किंग इन ए मार्केट आर लो एज। Option number B, their employers are exploiting them. Which one of the following statements about democratic government is false? Option number D, it provides equal distribution of wealth. Next देखते हैं filling the blanks. A retailer sells goods at a higher price. From wholesale market, we buy items that can be stored for a longer time. The public distribution system ensures the distribution of rice, wheat and sugar at a reasonable rate for the poor. A democratic government committed to protect the interest of all sections of the society. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ आप लोग इंटरेस्ट का स्पेलिंग में सुधार कर लीजिएगा। INTERESTS होगा, यहाँ ई छूट गया स्टूडेंट्स। मार्केट ऑल्सो डिटरमाइन द वेजेस। नेक्स्ट है मैच द फॉलोइंग। मार्केट, प्लेस ऑफ सेल एंड परचेज ऑफ गुड्स। रिटेलर, सेल्स एट ए हायर प्राइस। इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी, इनइक्वालिटी ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एसेट्स एंड इनकम्स। पीडीएस, पीडीएस का फुल फॉर्म होता है स्टूडेंट्स पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम। इसका हो जाएगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ गुड्स एट रीजनेबल रेट। होलसेलर बाइज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन ब्रीफ। डिफाइन ए मार्केट, नेम डिफरेंट kinds of markets. A market is a place where buyers and sellers engage in the activity of selling and purchasing of goods. Examples: wholesale markets, retail markets, weekly markets, shops in the neighborhood, shopping complexes and malls. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। स्टेट द रिजल्ट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन अमंग वर्कर्स। कॉम्पिटिशन अमंग वर्कर्स टेंड टू लोअर द वेजेस। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। व्हाई इज देयर ए डिफरेंस इन प्राइजेस बिटवीन ए होलसेल एंड ए रिटेल मार्केट? इट इज बिकॉज ए होलसेलर बाइज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर्स or the manufacturers and therefore he sells goods at lower price, but a retailer buys from the wholesaler and adds the cost of transportation, time, storage charges etc to the price of goods, so he sells goods at a higher price. Next देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। Mention 3 benefits of shopping in a weekly market. First, we find everything there we need. Sometimes we get good quality things at a very lower price. Third, we can make bargaining. It gives us momentary pleasure. Next question है, what is economic inequality? Economic inequality refers to the inequality of economic assets and income among individuals and groups within a society. The term is also related to inequality of opportunity. Next देखते हैं, answer the following questions. Do you buy different types of goods from different markets? Support your answer with two examples. Yes, I buy different types of goods from different markets. Examples. First, I buy household items, fruits, vegetables, groceries, utensils, etc. from weekly markets. Second, I buy clothes, school bags, stationery, shoes, etc. from malls. How does market create inequalities that harms democracy? Market creates inequalities in the following ways. First, the shop owners in a weekly market and those in a shopping complex are very different people. One is a small trader with little money to run the shop, whereas the other is able to spend a lot of money to set up the shop. They also earn unequal amounts. A weekly market traders earn a little compared to the profit of a regular shop owner in a shopping complex. Second, there are differences in the buying capacity of customers too. One buyer may be able to afford only cheap goods from a weekly market, whereas the other one may buy branded items from malls. Third, the sale of goods increases production that in turn also provides new earning opportunity for more people, but everyone does not get equal benefit of these opportunities in the markets. Next question है, explain the terms demand and supply with an example from your daily life. Demand. The demand for a good is defined as an amount of commodity for which people are willing to pay and buy. Supply. The supply of a good is the quantity that the suppliers are willing to put in the market. Next question है, describe the role played by the government in protecting the interest of all sections of the society. Our government has taken the following steps to protect the interests of the people. First, the government has fixed minimum wages so that the workers could be able to fulfill their basic needs. Second, it has opened employment exchanges to register names of unemployed individuals who desire employment. Third, the government ensures the distribution of rice, wheat, sugar and kerosene oil at a reasonable rate for the poor under the public distribution system PDS. Fourth, the government announces the support price for the crops to safeguard the interest of the farmers and save them from exploitation of moneylenders, village torts, wholesalers and retail giant companies. Fifth, the government also provides electricity, irrigation facilities, technical assistance, loan and insurance facilities at subsidies rate. Next question है, compare the price of a plastic bucket from a weekly market and a mall. What are the reasons behind the difference in price and why? There is a great difference in price of plastic bucket from a weekly market and a mall. In a weekly market, things are sold at a lower price, but in mall, we have to pay a higher price for each and everything. This is because shops in malls are run in permanent buildings. Hence, they incur a lot of expenditure. They have to pay rent, electricity fees to the government etc. They also have to pay wages to their workers. The more people involved in the chain means addition in the cost of commodity at every level. They all have to make profit at every level to pay for their investment, manpower etc. Hence, things are sold at higher price. On the contrary, in a weekly market, the shop owners store the things they sell at home. The most of them are held by their family members and therefore do not need to hire workers. Moreover, there is competition among the shopkeepers and the buyers can bargain comfortably. This brings the price down. Next देखते हैं value based question. People's Mall is a 5-floor shopping complex in Kurla, Mumbai. Gauri and Samira were enjoying going up and down in the lift as they had come to the mall for the first time, taking leave from their Mem Sahib. They were fascinated to see different kinds of shops such as ice cream parlor, Pizza Hut, other food stores, shops of home appliances, footwears, etc. While wandering about on the third floor, they entered a shop selling branded ready-made clothes. Firstly, the security guard stared at them as if he wanted to stop them. Then the helper in the shop also gave them a friendly look. They felt very bad and did not know what to do. Why did the guard want to stop the girls from entering the shop? The guard thought that these girls would not have money to purchase anything. Second, why did the helper behave so rudely? The helper behaved so rudely because these girls belonged to underprivileged group. Next question है, in your opinion, what should have been the correct behavior of the guard and the helper? The guard and the helper should welcome these two girls nicely. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए इस एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का सॉल्यूशन या एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा और अपने दोस्तों के बीच, क्लासमेट्स के बीच ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।